Hey there, business owners. Are you a freelancer or an SME struggling with managing your finances? Juggling invoices, expenses, and payments can be a real headache, taking time away from what you do best. If you've ever wondered if there's a better way to handle your business banking, then you're in the right place. We're going to dive into the question, does Qonto support freelancers and SMEs? Let's cut to the chase. Yes, Qonto is specifically designed with freelancers and SMEs in mind. It's built to simplify your financial life, not complicate it. Think of it as an all-in-one financial solution that helps you save time and focus on growing your business. So, what makes Qonto a great fit? First, let's talk about the account itself. It's a business current account that you can open online in just a few minutes. No long lines, no endless paperwork. And you get a French IBAN, which is perfect for doing business in Europe. For freelancers, Qonto offers a simple, powerful account. You can create and send professional invoices directly from the app, track payments, and get a clear overview of your cash flow. Plus, you get a physical and virtual MasterCard business card for all your expenses, with real-time notifications. You can even set budgets and manage expenses on the go. Now, for SMEs, Qonto scales with you. It's not just for a one-person show. As your team grows, you can add multiple users to the account with different permission levels. This means your accountant can have read-only access, while your team can be given cards with specific spending limits. This level of control and transparency is a game-changer. You can also automate expense reports, manage payroll, and integrate with your accounting software to streamline your bookkeeping. Beyond the basic features, Qonto has some powerful tools that are a huge benefit. You can instantly create virtual cards for online purchases, which adds an extra layer of security. The customer support is top-notch and available 7 days a week. They are there to help you when you need it. And the pricing is transparent, with different plans tailored to fit the size and needs of your business. No hidden fees. In short, whether you're a freelance graphic designer, a small team running a marketing agency, or a growing e-commerce store, Qonto has the tools you need to simplify your finances. It's more than just a bank account, it's a financial management platform built for the modern business world. It frees you from the mundane tasks of financial administration so you can dedicate more time to your passion and your clients. So, if you're ready to upgrade your business banking experience, give Qonto a look. It could be the financial partner you've been waiting for.